Yeah. You know, sometimes you gotta tell the girl you love that you love her. I'm not the best at it though, but I'ma do it like this. Yeah, I know sometimes my rhymes get in the way of a time we really get to see each other every day except for bed. But that's the best fucking place. It's like I could lay there for hours and just stare at your face. Remember Montreal when I was hitting St. Laurent? Had you keeping six, had me thinking you was a gangster bitch. We would talk, your support was important, telling me to forget what some fucking whore did. Nuzzled in your breast was the safest and best place for me to be when times was hard for me. You made me feel love when all I had was hate, and when my belly was empty you put the food up on my plate. And that ass you got make me wanna ask God how the hell he created something so fucking hot. I really fucking love you, and I don't love a whole lot. Just remember, girl, you got the key to my heart. Yeah, you got everything I need, baby. I know you think this is gonna hit, baby. I know I haven't said it much lately, but you're the shit, you're the shit. I fucking love you, baby. I can't believe she loved me. I'm pretty fucking ugly, I don't make much money, and my nose is always runny, but she's always got Kleenex. Got me thinking I'm the best just to be hanging with my girl on some next level type of shit. She really got me loving it. Movies on Friday night, we ain't never clubbing it. We cuddle hard, I'm in awe. She rolled the best joints by far. A late night menage a trois, a perfect 10. Got me pitching a tent from all those booty shorts that she's always wearing, with snack on the left ass cheek. So you know she's mine. Midnight nightcaps, that McWilliams wine. She loves me even when I stink, even when I'm broke, even when I drink. Even though I make an ass of myself, I know she'll always be around. The type of girl I'm happy to have found. Yeah.